Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS 14 or newer and Windows 10 updates. Install Microsoft Phone Link on the PC and Link to Windows on the iPhone. Begin by opening Phone Link on Windows and choose iPhone. On the phone, open Link to Windows and tap Pair. Once done, allow required permissions, notifications, contacts, and microphone where prompted. This initial pairing creates the secure connection. Make sure both devices stay awake and near each other during setup to avoid timeouts or repeated attempts. After pairing, you must grant the iPhone specific permissions so Phone Link can mirror notifications and handle calls. Tap Allow for notifications, microphone, and photos. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices so contacts and message sync work correctly. Then, in Phone Link settings on Windows, choose which apps and notifications to forward and enable call routing if available. Make sure to adjust background app refresh and notification styles on iPhone so forwarded content appears reliably on your. Now you can place calls, reply to SMS or iMessage content, and manage notifications from your Windows 10 PC. Click the app tiles or use the keyboard to compose messages. When finished, simply close Phone Link. The connection will remain available for instant relaunch. If you lose connectivity, make sure both devices are on the same network and restart Phone Link. If that fails, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and repair. This resolves most interruptions because it clears stale pairing data and refreshes permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.